What's up, everybody? It's Vman1313 and welcome to, well, sound check maybe? Tahoe update, how about that? Welcome to the Tahoe update. And I'm gonna throw in the videos of the Tahoe as I was about to. So, first of all, Amazon said that my muffler exhaust kit was coming in yesterday. It had 5 stops. So I wasn't doing anything, so I went outside and I took off the muffler, took off what I needed to take off from the cat back. And muffler never came, exhaust kit never came. Well, today I had planned to take the Tahoe in for brakes and front shocks. I did the rear shocks myself. I did the coil springs myself. I wasn't comfortable doing the front ones. I watched some videos and was like, you know what? And I wanted to go get brakes or check my brakes. They checked my brakes and I ended up going ahead and doing the front and back brakes and rotors, calipers in the front, and a brake flush. So while they were at it, I said, hey, can you throw these? He's like, yeah, we'll throw those on for you. And so, yeah, all done. And so now I'm going to head home and try to put the exhaust system on. And so here's the clips that I recorded yesterday. Here's what it sounds like right now. Not much difference, I bet, on the video. What's up, buddies? Vman1313, and it's time to change the muffler on this thing. Ready? That's how it is right now. The problem is there's a muffler and there's nothing coming out of it, and so we're about to find out if we can do something about that. Oh yeah, it's got the double holes. The problem there. All right. We'll see if we can fix that. Yeah, that's the problem there. So let's see what we can do about that. All right, muffler's down, out. I gotta get the hanger off. Let's see what it sounds like now. I don't know the difference, but it's off, and we'll get the new one in there. The magic of the internet. It was the hanger I couldn't get off. Yeah, and there's the problem. It's a problem for me anyway. All right, old one's out, new one's in. Yeah. Now, I may have put it upside down. I'm not sure. I would assume they wanted their thing down, but the way it routed, see, it's in the middle here, but it's on the right over there. Over here on the left, wasn't that good of a route. That one fell on the hangers perfectly, so yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. Let's see what it sounds like. That's a little quiet, isn't it? A little too quiet. Yeah, if that's not a big difference. Oh man, wow. All right, got 2 things to bolt up and then I'm done, so let me get that done. Oh, nice. It does have a little, all right, it's not, I thought it was too quiet, but it does have a little bit of a rumble to it. Nice. It took me about an hour, but I really took my time as far as I mean, you could do that in 30 minutes probably. I added some washers here and there that I made it, actually some spacers here and there to make it easier on myself. I did a couple things that took me a little extra time. Oh wow. Compared to, it's a little quiet. Oh wow. Yeah, big difference. Big difference, huge difference. Down the road, chickens. I like it. Pretty happy with that. As much as I like the rumble and I really like the toughness that it had, the sound that it had, I do like it quieter. Yeah. Things I was thinking about, you know, waking up at camp with other people. That's the way I am. I think about other people. And to hear rah, 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 sounds cool, but no, you know, so yeah, that's cool. Let's go hit a dirt road up real quick, and I wonder if it changes the gas mileage. I'm not sure. Why would it? But then maybe it will. I don't know. And yeah, I don't know. Here's what I bought, and it brought an extra. Actually, no, it didn't. That would have gone with the tip. It didn't bring the tip. The exhaust tip's not on there, and so I'm gonna write them tonight and see. I was not gonna send the thing back. I mean, get real. I'm not sending the thing back for a tip. It truly bolted on there very easily. I am no mechanic, wrencher, nothing. I am far from it. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. This car is a completely different car from yesterday. Number one, the sound, completely different. The handling now, pretty different. I can feel it as I throw it into this corner, and I'm not forcing it, but yeah. The front was where so when I bought the vehicle, the guy that I bought it from had shocks to put on it, but hadn't done it, the front shocks. And so, I mean, they were not free, but they were free. I had them there. My mechanic was already going to be taking off wheels and everything else out of the front, so I was like, can you do it? And he usually gives me a decent price for stuff. So basically, yeah, like right here, throwing it around this corner, it doesn't feel like it leans anymore as much. The front was the one that was really, I changed the rear springs, I changed the rear coil springs, and I changed the rear shocks myself. Yeah, completely different vehicle from yesterday. The front shocks changed out, the brakes, I'm going to slam them on up here and see how they feel. And now now the muffler, the exhaust. Yeah. Yeah, a lot better. She locked them up a little bit there. Yeah. Let's give her a little juice and see. Oh no, Popo's coming. Popo's coming. Popo gone by. Alright, well I'm doing, let's see, I'm doing 40. 40. Yeah, a lot better. I mean, a lot better. I still have a little bit of a grumble, but nothing crazy. So, alright, well, that's the Tahoe update. Not much excitement, but it's cool. I'm excited. It does change the vehicle. Makes me happy. Can't wait for the next trip. Vman1313 out.